Hello, party people. Hi, it's Randy from Thunderhorse Descendant, and I just thought that today I would do some first impressions with you. I did an order from Jesse James Beads using my 30% off discount code for taking the survey. So I ordered, this is called the Bead Bundle in Taurus. And then I also did the Perfect 5 Design Element Bead Special. And so I just thought I would crack into these with you. So it comes in this little bag, which is super cute because I reuse those. And we have the card. This is cute because it reminds me of like a tarot card. April 20th to May 21st. Talks about the planet, the element, the colors. Yeah. So, that's the card that comes with it. And here we have the strands. This is beautiful. I really like this. So this, in my head, you could either do a necklace, you could do it like this, or even a bracelet. Bracelet might be a little cumbersome, but that makes a really pretty focal, this flower. So these are the beads on the strand. Looks like some crystal. This one's really pretty. So those are cute. And these ones look like a cage bead, lava rocks. I don't know if these are tension beads or not. I think they are. But what I was most excited about was showing you guys. I'm going to open this one. I'm just going to use my top for this. I haven't opened this yet, and I took the tape off of it because I wanted to be able to open it on camera real quick. But this is the mix that comes with the strands. Let's see what we got. I like these little jars because you can reuse them for stuff. I like that it comes in here so in shipping they don't get broken. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So this is what we got. Oh, these are really pretty. Those are cute. They're top drilled. Little teardrops. That's pretty. We got a few tassels here. Different kinds. It's like the little tiniest tassels in life ever. Oh, what's this? Ooh. That would be cute as a connector. Even as a focal on just if you want to make a minimal necklace, that would be cute. Or as a drop, as a connector for a drop. Super cute, I like that. Looks like we got some little charms. Oh, little dragonfly charms. Oh, they're not double-sided. Still super cute. And some little flowers. I like to use these on earrings, not so much on necklaces because sometimes they flip around. I mean, they don't if you put, you know, but I don't know. I just think they look cuter at the top of an earring with like a drop on it. So those are cute. I really like the color. Those are cute. What else do we got in here? Oh, some little spacer beads. Looks like some glass pearls. These are porcelain? I don't know if they are porcelain, but they kind of look like it. Oh, look at these little guys. And a few bead caps. What's that? Get out there. Some wood. Yeah, so that's really cute. Mixed with the entire mix, let me zoom out. So the entire mix, you could do, you know, quite a few things. Necklace, bracelet, earrings. I would probably mix in a few glass beads or stone beads or something. But yeah, so this is really cute. This is, again, the bead mix is bead bundle in Taurus. So it's $44, $44.97, and then I used my 30% off survey. So if you take a survey for Jesse James Beads, they send it in the email. So if you're not on the email list, I don't know that you would get one, but they do that once a while, and then after you take the survey, they'll send you a 30% off coupon. So it's pretty cool. So that is my Taurus mix from Jesse James Beads. Super excited!